it be lovely to have a machine tool sitting on your shop floor without paying a penny until the second quarter of 2022?
Yeah, that's the deal that the Engineering Technology Group are promoting at the moment with the Quaser MV 134. Now, there's actually 4 of these machines that they've got in stock that
Different
can be
sizes?
delivered. They're all of the same size because it's the 134 model, but they've got different control systems, maybe some different options on them. So, you know, depending on what you're machining and what you're looking to do with the machine, you'll select which one of the 4 is perfect for you. But you're dead right. I mean, basically, have this machine hit the deck. The only thing you've got to pay is delivery.
Oh.
But other than delivery, you don't have to pay anything until the second quarter of 2022. So all the twos.
Right, okay.
All the twos.
So what's good about this machine then?
Quaser stands for quality and service. They always promote that. Very well built machines, great spindle technology on these machines. You've got a very robust machining envelope on here. You've got a machine that's built to last. And a lot of the Quaser or companies that have Quaser machines always talk about how precise they make components and how good they are maybe for hard metal machining and things like that. So yeah, fast processing speeds, quick spindles, the ability to machine all kinds of materials, that really sums up the Quaser.
Workhorse, right. Let me just take you around and show you something else. Follow me, follow me, follow me. Because on the side of this machine is also the option for automation. So just to kind of add to that profile of the machine, you can speak to ETG about the variety of automation, and we have seen different types of automation next to this machine previously as well. So huge range.
You want to get that spindle running as many hours as you can, then automation is of course an option. But when it comes to the machines themselves, all the twos, second quarter 2022, this machine or one of 4 could be in your machine shop. Contact ETG at engtechgroup.com.